Welcome back, friends, and welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro. Today, we're taking a deep look at one of the most premium and powerful smartphones from Sony, the Sony Xperia 1V2, a device designed for users who want true flagship performance with professional-grade features. Starting with the design, the Sony Xperia 1V2 carries Sony's signature clean and minimal look. The slim body, premium glass finish, and solid frame give it a very professional and high-end feel. This is a phone that looks elegant, feels premium in the hand, and clearly targets serious users rather than flashy trends. The biggest highlight is its 4K HDR OLED display. Sony is one of the very few brands offering true 4K resolution on a smartphone. The display delivers extremely sharp visuals, accurate colors, deep blacks, and a cinematic experience that is perfect for watching movies, editing videos, or simply enjoying premium content. With a smooth high refresh rate, scrolling and animations feel incredibly fluid. When it comes to performance, the Xperia 1V2 is powered by a flagship Snapdragon processor, ensuring lightning-fast speed and excellent efficiency. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing high-resolution videos, this phone handles everything smoothly without lag. It's clearly built for power users and creators. Now let's talk about cameras, where Sony truly shines. The Xperia 1V2 features a professional-grade camera system inspired by Sony Alpha cameras. You get stunning detail, natural colors, and advanced manual controls for photography lovers. Video recording is on another level, offering cinematic quality that content creators will truly appreciate. Battery performance is also well optimized. Sony focuses on smart power management, ensuring all-day usage with balanced performance. Fast charging support helps you get back in action quickly, making it reliable for daily use. Overall, the Sony Xperia 1V2 is not just a smartphone, it's a professional tool. It's perfect for users who value camera quality, display excellence, and clean Android experience over unnecessary gimmicks. If you enjoyed this detailed look, don't forget to like the video, share it with other tech lovers, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more premium smartphone content. See you in the next one.